Check this out. This is the Archos 7 home tablet. This is a 7-inch Android tablet for $149 US. So already now, right now you have on the market, you have the 5-inch. This is $249 and this is $149. This is the new Archos that Archos is launching right here, right now at CeBIT. And they borrowed me this for the last couple of days so I could check it out. And I'm the first in the world to have this, and I'm really happy. Check this out. It's a huge 7-inch screen. It's 800 x 480, and it can go on Android. It can go on the Google. It can go on the internet. You can browse the internet. You can watch movies. You can even play 720p movies. So check this out. I'm going to show you how fast it is. So here I'm going to show you first the design of this device, which is really awesome. As you can see, it has a really nice back. This is the Archos design with a cool kickstand that just pulls out like this, and so you can put it on any table you want and just watch movies or browse the internet like this. It also has a micro USB on the side that also turns into a USB host with an adapter, so you can plug in a keyboard. USB keyboard you can plug in, and then there's a TV output that goes here through the mini jack output. It can also go to a composite TV, and here, this is an amazing price they've been able to achieve with the 149 for 7-inch. So you have a 5-inch that is on the market already, and then you have a 7-inch right now that's just about to come out. They're going to release it next week, about around there. So there is one way that they have been able to get down on this price. If I go here on the Olympics, you can see that the web browsing time is going to be usable. It's totally usable, but you have to consider this is using an ARM9 processor. It's the Rockchip 2808. Okay, so it's not an ARM Cortex A8 like on this one. It's an ARM9. That's the way that they can go to such a extremely crazy low price. If we go here and we search for the Rockchip 2808, I'll just so you can find some more information. As Rockchip like this. 28. So the keyboard is super usable, and you can install some better keyboards over downloading any APK software from the internet. So you can just find some more information about the Rockchip 2808. Oops, I typed 2808. I just need the 0 here as well. So if I search 2808, you can find it here. We can search. There's all these websites talking about it, and so it's totally usable as a web browser. It will be amazingly fast, considering it's an ARM9 processor. It's still very usable. And so if you want just basic web browsing, if you're not like, if it's not too important for you to have the absolute fastest full speed web browsing, then this is going to be good enough. And then what you also have, you can play all the DivX movies that you want. You can DivX and all kinds of other formats. H.264, MPEG-2 is going to play back on this Rockchip 2808 based device. And here I'm going to try and show you, this is a DivX movie. So of course you need to get legal DivX movies from the internet, and it's just going to look awesome. It's just going to be awesome to play this huge size. It's kind of big, of course. Oops, sorry. It's kind of big, of course, but it fits in big pockets. Or you can have it. It's not going to be too heavy. You can put it in a bag, or you can put it in a jacket pocket. If you like to have something like this in a jacket pocket, you have it right here. But most importantly, this is much cooler than a portable DVD player or anything like that, because this is real digital files, and it has built-in Wi-Fi, so you go on the Android and you can install all kinds of other applications right here that you can add to the Android. You have 3 home screens. Then they've added this Explorer, file explorer, so you can add even more applications if you want. If you want to add some, let's go and add the Last FM application, for example. You just click here, you click install, and it's going to install Last FM. and here, and then we can open, and then it's just gonna ask to log in, and you've got the full Last FM right here on this device. You can also have Frame, for example, which is like some kind of Skype, like Skype and voice over IP, and that's going to work as well because it has a built-in microphone and it has dual speakers. It has really nice speakers, and then you have the audio player as well, so you can play some music. If that's just what you want, you can just play some music. And it shows the album cover and stuff like that. So it's really basic. And it even continues to play while you're back and you're doing, so you can multitask, you know? This is not like the iPhone, anything like that. So I'll go back here and I can stop it. And then you can install some task managers. If you want to manage, there's 128 megabytes of RAM on here. If you want to manage what you've got running and stuff like that, so you can stop the Frame application, and then I'll stop the Last FM, then I free up some RAM memory, then it gets speedy as well. It gets speedy again. And then you can close YouTube as well, because YouTube is running in the background. And then it just gets faster and faster, and it gets more and more usable. So I can go back here to Google. I'm going to go and I'm going to open another website just so you can check it out. Engadget.com. It's really usable keyboard. I like this keyboard. It's really big, so you can tack 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 tack. It's pretty fast to get onto the stuff. But of course, you have to consider this is Archos going into the cheap market. And if you want to have some tilt, you will have to get some kind of software-based tilt because it doesn't have a built-in accelerometer. You know, they're cutting the cost. They're getting the price down. And who needs an accelerometer? I mean, if you got such a big thing like this, of course, it'd be cool to have some applications like that. If you want to have like an e-reader, for example, but that might be included in Aldico. I'm not totally sure. I probably have Aldico somewhere in here, so maybe I can look around. I can try to install the Aldico if I have it. Where do I have Aldico? Aldico is here, and I'm pretty sure it's here. So I can just, well, if you know where to find applications, you just find them on the internet. Somebody might hack the Google Marketplace onto this pretty soon. We'll figure out as soon as it comes out. You can move, copy, delete files with this software. So you can just copy the files over using USB from your computer. You copy them over and you have all this stuff going on right here. So thanks for watching this video. This is the Archos 7 home tablet. Super good value Android tablet right here. If you think the iPad is good, this is 3 times cheaper and it's good as well. So there you have it. This is what Android is able to provide to the market. Cheaper tablets, really large 800x480 screen, 7-inch screen, and Archos is still gonna do. They're still gonna do some faster ones. They're gonna do OMAP 3 again. They're gonna do OMAP 4. They're gonna do all kinds of different sizes. That's what they told me. So this is awesome. Of course, it's super awesome. And if you really want fast processing and 246 megabyte RAM, this is of course super cool. It's $249. And if you want just some basic stuff, you have this one. It's $149 US. So have fun with that, and thanks for watching this video.